Hi everyone, welcome back to Lash Therapy. My name is Maria. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. This video is created for beginners and advanced lash technicians. I will be performing a hybrid full set using ProMades and 0.15 Classic Lash Extensions. The ProMades are 0.03 and they are CC curl, and the Classic Lash Extensions are C curl. I'll post the mapping in the video, and I'll also leave it in the description box down below, as well as a list of all the links to where I purchased all my supply. I've said this in my previous videos, I'm in love with this Nexcare tape. This is what I use on all of my clients. Once I've placed the tape down and the pads are secure, I like to adjust the under eye pads just so my client is more comfortable. Next, I go in and prime the natural lashes. I know this may sound repetitive, but I can't stress this enough how important it is to prime your guests' lashes and make sure that they are clean before placement. If they're not clean, then you may experience poor retention or you may experience the lashes not sticking. Taking this extra step will guarantee your sets to be cleaner, fresher, and you won't have to worry about the possibility of the clients contacting you in a couple of days saying that they've lost any extensions. A little trick I want to mention in case your guests' lashes lay super flat. I'm using a thin piece of tape in tough areas I always have a hard time with when isolating, especially if they're in the inner corners, just because how little their natural lashes are. After I finished prepping my client for this service, in this video I placed my classic lashes first. Some lash techs like to start with their volume lashes first, but in this video I started off with my classics. I like to add 50% of my classic lash extensions and 50% of my volume lashes for a hybrid set. I personally like to add the classics first because it mentally prepares me for my mapping, which you will see shortly how I do it, and I will go over the mapping in just a second for you. I've started with 8 millimeters in the inner corner and then ended my longest length with 13 millimeters at the outer corner. The style my client requested is a cat eye. There's a couple of techniques that I do when isolating. The first technique is pushing the lashes to one side. Sometimes I can't always push the lashes to the side because the other natural lashes will pop out, which makes it difficult to isolate. So then I adjust my technique and isolate the lashes using the tip of the tweezers, separating both sides to where I only have one natural lash showing. When placing my classic lashes, I like to place them straight as if they are pointing towards me, so my set looks clean. If they start to cross each other, make sure you fix the way the extension is facing. Until I reach the middle of the eye, I then angle the extensions facing towards the outer corner, just so my client has that flick illusion. This helps me achieve that cat eye look. Another trick I like to do in my sets when placing my extensions is using the side of my tweezer and go behind the natural lash after I've placed the extension and push up gently towards me. This really helps secure the contact point with the natural lash to the extension, and it secures that it's on there. Alright you guys, before I let you all go, I just wanted to thank you so much for watching this video performing a hybrid full set. This video will be speeding up in just a few seconds. I hope that you enjoy watching. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and if you enjoy watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content. Don't forget to watch the full video to see the end result. I will see you all soon.
Missing someone with all your missing someone with how much you listen and you listen and you normal.